Igbo leader say that the problem that happened during the Biafra war are no longer existing in Biafra land today. So therefore, those who are agitating for Biafra are agitating for another thing. Things are happening. They say UGM don't capture some guys who violate a coffee in Biafra land and deal with them. Things are really happening. No be smart, you know. Hello, my people. Welcome back to Blabber's Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you never subscribe to this channel or you are waiting the wait, go subscribe and don't forget to turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person to get our updates back to back as they happen. Things are really happening. Let's go and look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. Regarding the gathering of the Igbo leaders today, I heard that one of the outcome of the gathering is they're talking about the insecurity and the things that are going on in Southeast. And there's a video clip we are going to play for you here to watch. I want us to watch that video together. Settle your time and watch the video calm. So let's come back and talk more about that video. There's a lot of things to talk about in that particular video. But one of the things that I want to point out is that they say that the problem will be there for Southeast before, or will make Biafra agitation raise before, are no longer existing today. I don't know what is wrong with these people. Why you people have chosen lie over truth? What of this one will happen koro eyes for everybody? Will be say to be upon the whole this thing. Win election for Kuro eyes. Kuro eyes, they carry and pull for third. It happen for everybody. I will soon forgot. What are we even eating in Nigeria self that make us to become so dull in brain like this? No one reason proper anymore. Okay, my people, let's watch this video and we'll come back and continue.
There is clearly a nexus between the current high level of insecurity in the southeast and the fact that some criminal elements are unleashing mayhem under the cover of agitation for Biafra. We must emphasize that the circumstances that led to Biafra agitation in 1967 is not the same as what is happening today. Therefore, we must endeavor to point out the difference in the present agitation. Today, we do not have anything that in any way approximates to the situation in 1967. There is absolutely no consensus on the purpose, content, method, and boundaries of today's Biafra agitation. I therefore call for a rethink by all those involved in this agitation. In rethinking the Biafran agitation, we need to honestly articulate what have been the outcomes or impact of the agitation so far. For example, in my own opinion, in the last 4 years, every Monday has been declared by some non-state actors as sit-at-home day. The enforcement has been brutal, leading to enormous loss of lives and property. It is estimated that hundreds of lives and hundreds of billions of naira have been lost to the sit-at-home order and its enforcement. 2, life has become very difficult in the southeast, and almost every successful person in the southeast is in self-exile. If care is not taken, very soon, none of us will come home, no matter the number of security personnel you carry. 3, social and economic activities have been dislocated, businesses have collapsed, no social activity can any longer safely take place in the zone, and no new businesses have been attracted to the zone. If care is not taken, very soon, every means of livelihood in the zone may dry up. Heavy arms and ammunition have become instruments of political campaigns, resulting in gross voter apathy. If care is not taken, very soon, Southeast will lose national political relevance as votes from Southeast will no longer be of any consequence. Crime and criminality have become widespread in Southeast because common criminals have taken advantage of the agitation to advance their violent enterprise. Ladies and gentlemen,
welcome back, my people. As I've watched that video and with that thing that man is saying over there, you know, say you get some problem where our people get. wetin you no believe inside, you leave am, you no believe am. The problem is that you people form deaf ear and blind eyes when they are killing your own people. Go back to 3 years ago. There is a time where IPOB is burying people every blessed day. What did they do? They said the marginalization is too much. They need their freedom. And the military took weapon and start shooting them live bullets. None of you come aside to condemn it. If those children look for you tomorrow now and start destroying you, they will say, hey, they are wicked, oh, they are leashing this one, they are burning houses, oh. But you have come aside to talk nonsense. And tomorrow you say they will clap for you. None of you come aside to condemn the killing of your own people. Nnamdi Kanu come aside and talk. Then you people are planning how to kidnap, how to rendition Nnamdi Kanu. Today you hold Nnamdi Kanu, what is going on? Are you not people still crying? Then release him. For the fact that you are sitting as a governor does not mean that maybe you look around and see few people around you does not mean that they love you. It's because of the poverty level you are putting them into. Have made them to do what? To follow you. But the day they will see the light, they will unleash madness on you people. That state of Biafra you think that will not be restored will be restored. Because that is the future of every average Biafra and Igbo and other tribe in that country called Nigeria. What have you people done for your own people? Look at, they are building railway. Every state in Nigeria building to Kano, to Kaduna, to Abuja, to here. How many have come to Southeast? How many in Anambra, Imo State, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi? How many is there? What is holding them of building that from that place so that they will save so many accidents that be happening in the road? How many is there? If you people have a seaport in the Southeast, what will happen? Before they blindfolded you people that Southeast is a landlocked, they don't have access to sea. But the truth is being coming out that we have several access to sea more than they think. And they don't even have the care. They don't talk about that one anymore. They will build international airport and name it international airport, but no international flight are going there direct. Who are you people deceiving? You can deceive your age mates, not we again, not this generation you are seeing. I know there is still an non-entity and fools who think they go to school among us, but there are still a reasonable people that still reason among us. You can no longer deceive us anymore. The people have chosen their destiny by their hand, and you can't set them back. That thing will go outside the country to find. We want it to be in our own country. We want it to be in our own land. What is the genesis of the insecurity? Is it not you people that are doing election, that are giving people that will see ballot bags for you people? Is the genesis of the insecurity in Southeast? Have you people suddenly forgot? God will expose you people all. God will definitely expose you people very, very soon. Very, very soon. I tell you people that there's something I always say, that you see this thing you are crying. If people are crying now, more dangerous people are not yet out. They are coming. They are watching. They are just talking small. The more dangerous people are still to come outside inside. If you don't know it now. If you people call yourself an elder but you can't see, that means you're not an elder, you're an evil elder. Those days, our fathers, if they don't see things before it happen, if they don't have advice to give to the younger ones, that means they are not qualified to be an elder. That is what is happening today. The children are seeing future more than you people are seeing. You people don't deserve to be an elder or a leader to the people of Southeast. You have killed them all. You have ruled their life. Say you are ruling them as a governor, as Ohanaeze and some other people. What is Nnamdi Kanu doing over there? If they can release what is the name of this one? This one that is working, this police one, what is the name again? If they can release that one who is killing people like fly, their own. Sunday Igboho, what we are Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho, when they arrested the Sunday Igboho, na just say step by the public to hold. The Yoruba elders right and said no. Sunday Igboho is free man in Benin Republic. What is Nnamdi Kanu, your own son? What is Nnamdi Kanu doing in DSS? None of you are talking of this side and you are dodging it. What are you dodging? You are not ruling a fool. So many wise people are there. You are no longer ruling a fools. And the worst one you are about to see are growing. You are building them with this your speech. You are building more people to stand up and speak up. You are building them with all those nonsense you people are saying. You are building them up. Hello my people, please share this video, very important. Share this video and also subscribe to this channel. Let's go and look into what unknown government did to some drivers today.
Because I know Kaija man on a site here. So we see through no Baozo. I will map Okega. I will jam Mondo Mekomo non-government. Yeah, Pialai. I have Bobu guy, none I have Fabico. So now I have an old night to have a happy Bukanai. I said now no come on a habuai. On I am a tap. So now I have one worker or driver here. And as well. And as well. And as well. Ekpa as engineer. Ekpa. And I'm a lie. Don't know the other side. Ekpa. Habula apa. You put up on double lie. Ekpa as engineer. Okay, see you will be Macanonio to Ørder. So, Corneliaka, a year jubilated. Dear, I really need a papa. I really need a papa. Cornio to I, Eugene. I really need a papa. Don't know, no one came and you can't feel. I want to see Zotai Kunisi. Zain Chanino Kunisi is in a Keta. Wednesday, even my 1 year, my mother's case are plus I might not see any now. I know good if we have a sick I can never go to China can Namakando. I because not easy. Ni na how would you tamper with the man I blew Babia. See I Kabamutai or Kayaba Fabico, come a Fabala Fabalo in the Habalo. What are? Because no more.
The Quara who big. The Benin is a retisa.
Yamaka. Which Chamaka? How would you woman one alpha. I'm new now, as a more, my sim new now. I'm asking them here 1 year market as a calculate here.
You can't go. Oh, Chiku.
Oh, Chineka, Canada, Chineka. Yes. Nando idea. ndụ anyị dị ọgwụ na ha gba moto ọkụ ma ha dobe anyị ndụ
Yes,
na ndụ anyị ya kele dịrị Chineke ebe kasị elu.
Welcome back. As I watch this video, the advice I'm giving to these people is that save your life, brothers. Save your life. If you think that those people who call themselves governors will provide a security for you, you are a liar. Any of them who come outside and tell you, oh, come outside, oh, come outside, oh, come outside. Don't come outside. Let them bring their children outside, then you come outside. Let them bring their families outside before you come outside. Don't come outside. If you come outside, they will kill you. People, what are they calling them? All those people, they will buy you. Where they buy you finish, the governors no go talk anything. They go buy you. They no go talk anything. They no go do anything. Nothing will happen. Your own case will close. So protect yourself. Protect yourself. Okay, my people. Now here we'll see, and today we go see you for the next update. I beg no forget to follow and also subscribe to our channel. Very, very important. Thank you so much for watching.